In this question, the volume of a cone is given as 100 centimeter cube, and the vertical height is given, and the slant height is L, and the radius is R. The relationship between the volume of a cone and the radius, or basically the formula for volume of a cone, would go something like 1 over 3 into pi r square h, where h is the vertical height. So in that case, the volume of a cone is given as 100 centimeter cube. So it's going to be 100 is equals to 1 by 3 times pi times r is unknown, which we need to find out. R square times, and the value of h is 8. So in that case, when 3 goes to the other side and we have this pi, and 8 will go and get divided by it. So it would be 3 times 100 divided by 8 pi. And this is what is equals to r square. And whenever the square goes to the other side, it will become plus or minus, but we are talking about the radius. Radius can never ever be negative. So that's why the value of r is square root of, this is 3 times 100 is 300 divided by 8 pi. So when you type this one in your calculator, you will be getting something approximately 3.45. So 3.45 centimeter is the radius of this cone. So now, if I need to find the slant height, so this one is a right circular cone. So right circular cone means the height of the cone, or basically the angle between the height and the radius, is a right angle. So in that case, this forms up a right angle triangle. And whenever it's a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle would look something like, the hypotenuse is L. So L square is equals to r square is the radius plus the height is 8 square. And we just got the value of r to be 3.45. So in that case, L would be equals to, or L square is equals to 3.45 whole square plus 8 square. And so in this case, the value of L has to be square root of 3.45 whole square plus 8 square. And when we simplify this, we will be getting the answer something closer to 8.71. So 8.71 is the slant height for the sum. So now if I need to find the surface area, and here we are talking about finding only the curved surface area, and the formula for a curved surface area, that means excluding the circle. So the curved surface area formula for a cone is, curved surface area of a cone is just going to be pi r L, where L is a slant height. So in that case, this is going to be pi times, and the radius, which we got it as 3.45, and the slant height, which got it as 8.71. And when you simplify this, you will get the answer approximately equals to 94.6. And we are talking about area. That's why the unit has to be centimeter square. So in these things, for L, the unit is centimeter, and even for the radius, the unit would be centimeter. So this is the right answers for this sum.